Hey guys, in this video I'll share how to make peppered chicken. How to get those pieces of chicken popping red and tasting spicy. Here are the ingredients you will need. Okay, the quantity of pepper to use depends on you. If you're in Nigeria, you can use only tatashi peppers. They are hot enough to get the chicken spicy. For those outside Nigeria, this is the pepper I'll be using. They have a nice taste and will get the peppered chicken popping red. And because they are not spicy, I'll be adding Scotch bonnet peppers. You can use only Scotch bonnet peppers if you want, but the quantity of peppers that will get the chicken red will be too spicy. Clean and season the chicken with seasoning cubes. Thyme and diced onions. I'm using the hard chicken because it tastes much better than the rooster. You can add any other seasonings you like, but it is best to keep it simple. Mix very well, cover and place in the fridge to marinate for at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, transfer the chicken to a pot and start cooking. While you're waiting, clean and cut the peppers into small pieces, then run a hand blender through it a few times. The aim here is to give this a rough blend. You can use any blender that allows you to do this without adding water. If you only have a normal blender, add just enough water to help the blades of your blender move. This is what it should look like when you are done. When the chicken is done, take them off and place in the oven to grill at the temperatures shown on the screen. Turn them around from time to time so they will brown evenly. Because I'm also cooking jollof rice today, I used the stock to prepare the jollof rice. If you're not cooking any other thing, store the chicken stock in the freezer. It will come in handy some other time. The chicken is okay when they are golden all over. Next, pour a small amount of vegetable oil into a pot, and when hot, pour the pepper and start frying on medium heat. Fry till there's no more water and you see the oil seeping out like this. Add the grilled chicken. Stir very well till every inch of the pieces of chicken is coated with pepper. Add salt if necessary, and that's it. Serve with any Nigerian rice dish. It goes well with Nigerian salad, moi moi, or you can serve it on its own with a chilled drink. Enjoy!